RJR Communication Group. I just got the news that all Ioctane songs have been banned from the company itself. In other words, none of my songs them can play on none of the radio station them. But over the years, I've been supporting RJR. I've supported RJR road shows, It's 92 road shows them, FM if I'm available, free of cost, you know what I mean? So, and we have a good relationship over the years. So why the program director Dennis Howard take it up on him head to ban all Ioctane songs them in full force? You know what I mean? None of the DJs them can play an Ioctane song. So I want to know if it's a company make that decision or it's a personal vendetta. You understand? So that's why I reach out to RJR Communication Group, not Dennis Howard. You understand? Anyway, Honorable Minister Babsy Grange, I think you need to step in and rectify them things. You understand? Because when dancehall music I get banned, reggae music I get banned, reggae artists and dancehall artists.
When you see me now, all DJ, all producers, all entertainers, all engineers, make we do this. We need to get rid of Dennis Howard.
Miss Grange, tell them to take your bandage off of me. Take the ban off of me. 7 years now, we ban the for me, Miss Grange. And me I try to tell you, Miss Grange, 7 years is biblical. I know my band still a run over in a 8 year, Miss Grange. So me I tell you, Miss Grange, please call them up all way to this jack and all sound personnel and all dancer Shelly Belly and the team. When you take the band off of me, lift the band now, because I do me 7 years and me never ball. And so man, you just get banned for 2 days. A ball tell them they need to stand up in the banding line or the bandage line or the tear down line or then create for other artists. Tell them don't ball. They're supposed to know their way out. Yes, Miss Grange. Tell them take off the banner for Khago now. Tell them take off the banner for Khago. He serve his sentence and he serve it and don't cry. He serve it and don't cry.
So if you don't know anything about Khago, you know, so Khago has reached #2 on Billboard and the man is celebrating for joy because him say 7 years them ban him from the radio. But now another artist is in the same predicament with him. Ioctane is saying that they banned him from the radio also. Babsy Grange, you need to look into what's going on as far as people getting banned on the radio and on the airwaves in Jamaica, because as you guys know, a lot of money is made from people being constantly rotated on the radio. So enough people plan out them retirement and them 401k and all that by securing a spot on the radio and having their music constantly rotating on the radio. So for somebody to take that from an artist is for somebody to take a great majority of their revenue from them. So Khago, they laugh off Ioctane because when he was going through his struggle, no one said anything. And quite honestly, me feel like Khago have all rights to laugh off Ioctane, because when he was going through what he was going through and pleading with the world and with the artists them where they are Jamaica and say how him feel left out and all these things, everybody quiet like lamb. Nobody never have nothing to say. But like I always say, these people never say nothing yet until it affects them. When it directly affects them and it come in at them front yard, that's when they choose to speak on it and speak about it. Also, the same man where ban Ioctane is the same man that ban Beanie Man. So I think someone really needs to pay attention to this person, because there's no way one person can cause so much problem in the dancehall and reggae industry in Jamaica. It's like them are the gatekeeper for the music industry as far as radio is concerned, and them just let in who they want let in and take out who they want take out. And quite frankly, I feel like that's not fair. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about Khago laughing off of Ioctane. Do you think that the dancehall artists them need to unite and actually demand something to be done about this one person that's causing havoc and banning people from the radio? Do you think Miss Babsy Grange, who is currently in the hospital, I hope she is doing fine, need to look into it and see exactly what's going on. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a part of here, man. Deuces.